Our nerves are responsible for transmitting messages between our brain's spinal cord and other parts of our bodies, allowing us to move, feel sensations, and carry out various bodily functions. If you've ever felt tingling in your fingers or toes, you've experienced how nerve issues can feel. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, is a condition that occurs when there's damage to these nerves, and many times, this is due to a deficiency in some vitamins and essential nutrients. Today, we'll get into these nutrients. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how they can naturally and effectively help prevent nerve damage. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 isn't just a nutrient, it's a key guardian of your nervous system. Nerves in your body are like electrical wires, and vitamin B12 is the insulation that keeps them safe and efficient. Without enough B12, this protective coating, myelin, starts to break down, leading to disrupted signals like a faulty wire causing flickering lights. This vitamin is also a multitasker. It's busy repairing and renewing nerve cells, ensuring they stay in top shape. Plus, it's like a peacekeeper for your body, converting the troublemaker amino acid homocysteine into something useful, thus protecting your nerves from damage and easing nerve pain. This is especially crucial in conditions like diabetic neuropathy, where nerve pain can be a constant battle. Remember though, balance is key. Just as too little B12 can be problematic, too much isn't ideal either. So, whether you're a vegan, a meat eater, or someone getting on in years, getting the right amount of B12 is like giving your nervous system a suit of armor, ready to defend and repair. Vitamin E. Think of vitamin E as a powerful shield for your body's cells, especially those in your nervous system. It fights the free radicals that damage cells. These free radicals are like tiny darts, constantly bombarding our cells, and vitamin E is there to neutralize them, protecting the cells from oxidative stress. This is particularly important for your nerves, which are vulnerable to oxidative damage. Vitamin E's role doesn't stop at defense, it's also crucial for repair. It aids in the regeneration of cells, including nerve cells, ensuring they stay healthy and functional. For those with conditions that put their nerve health at risk, like diabetes, vitamin E is an invaluable ally, helping to prevent complications like neuropathy, where nerve damage causes pain, weakness, and numbness. Whether you're getting your vitamin E from almonds, spinach, or a supplement, think of it as nourishing your body's own cellular defense system, keeping your nerves in top condition and ready to take on whatever challenges come their way. Alpha-lipoic acid, or ALA. Alpha-lipoic acid is a great player in the body's defense and repair team, especially when it comes to nerve health. Imagine ALA as a versatile warrior, uniquely equipped to fight in both water and fatty parts of cells, making it an exceptionally effective antioxidant. It patrols the body, seeking out and neutralizing free radicals, those harmful molecules that can attack and damage nerve cells. This action is akin to a skilled firefighter, dousing flames before they can spread and cause more damage. But ALA's talents don't end with defense. It also plays a crucial role in regeneration and repair. It has the remarkable ability to help regenerate other antioxidants, like vitamin C and E, boosting the body's overall protective forces. For those with nerve damage, such as in diabetic neuropathy, ALA is like a skilled medic, aiding in reducing pain, burning, and numbness by protecting the nerves and even improving their function. Moreover, ALA is a key player in energy metabolism. It helps in converting glucose into energy, which is vital for keeping nerve cells powered and healthy. ALA could be obtained through foods like spinach, broccoli, and potatoes, or through supplements. Although the free supplements we've discussed are fantastic, to truly maximize their potential in aiding nerve damage recovery, it's crucial to integrate the four following key supplements. Thiamine. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is like the MVP of your nervous system. It plays a critical role in nerve function, acting much like a master electrician, ensuring that all electrical systems in the body are running smoothly. Thiamine is essential for the proper transmission of nerve signals throughout the body. Imagine each nerve signal as a high-speed train traveling along complex tracks, and thiamine ensures these trains run on time without any hiccups, delivering vital messages from the brain to various body parts. But thiamine's job doesn't end there. It's also a key player in energy metabolism. This vitamin helps convert nutrients from the food you eat into energy, which is essential for maintaining nerve health and overall vitality. In cases where the body is deficient in thiamine, nerve function can be significantly impaired, leading to conditions like beriberi, which affects the cardiovascular and nervous systems. This highlights thiamine's critical role in keeping the nervous system in optimal condition. You could get your thiamine from whole grains, meats, nuts, or supplements. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are like the elite protectors of your body, especially for your brain and nervous system. They are the skilled bodyguards, safeguarding the cells in your nervous system. These fatty acids are crucial components of the cell membranes in your brain, playing a vital role in how brain cells communicate with each other. This communication is essential for brain health and function. Imagine a high-speed, super-efficient network connecting different parts of the brain, and omega-3s are the ones keeping this network running smoothly. But their role isn't just about protection, they're also brilliant mediators of inflammation. In the complex environment of your body, omega-3s are like skilled diplomats, negotiating peace and keeping inflammatory responses in check. This is particularly important for preventing and managing conditions like neuropathy, where inflammation can lead to nerve damage. Omega-3s also contribute to the regeneration and repair of nerve cells. This is especially crucial in conditions like multiple sclerosis, where nerve damage is a key concern. And let's not forget the heart. Omega-3s are well known for their cardiovascular benefits, supporting heart health, which is inextricably linked to overall well-being, including the health of your nervous system. It's important to source omega-3s from a healthy diet, fatty fish like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts, or from high-quality supplements as advised by healthcare professionals. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate, often recognized for its simplicity, plays a surprising complex and vital role in your body, particularly in supporting nerve health. It acts much like a skilled moderator, regulating nerve signals throughout your body. This regulation is crucial because it ensures that nerve cells don't become overexcited, which can lead to nerve damage or other complications. Imagine a busy intersection with a highly effective traffic system, where magnesium sulfate is the traffic light, ensuring that everything flows smoothly without any crashes or jams. But its role isn't just about moderation. Magnesium sulfate is also a key player in muscle relaxation. It's like a natural muscle relaxant, helping to ease muscle tension and prevent cramps, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like neuropathy, where muscle cramps are common. In addition to its nerve and muscle benefits, magnesium sulfate is also well known for its role in overall cellular health. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including energy production and protein synthesis. This makes it a critical component in maintaining overall health and well-being. Typically used in both oral and topical forms, it's like a multitasking agent in your body's health toolkit, ensuring that your nerves and muscles function optimally, keeping your body's internal traffic running smoothly and efficiently. Glutathione. Glutathione, often hailed as the master antioxidant in the body, plays an extraordinary role, particularly in protecting and maintaining nerve health. It's like a highly efficient janitor, tirelessly cleaning up the free radicals and oxidative stress that can damage nerve cells. This cleanup is crucial for preventing cellular damage that can lead to nerve degeneration and dysfunction. But glutathione's role isn't limited to defense. It also aids in detoxification, acting like a skilled waste management system in the body. It helps eliminate toxins and heavy metals, which can be particularly harmful to the nervous system. This detoxifying action ensures that the cells, especially nerve cells, operate in a clean and healthy environment. Moreover, glutathione is essential for energy production. It works behind the scenes in cellular metabolism, helping to ensure that nerve cells have the energy they need to function optimally. This is akin to a power plant inside your body, keeping the lights on and the machinery running smoothly. Glutathione also plays a role in immune system support, acting like a strategic commander, bolstering the body's defenses against infections and diseases that can affect nerve health. However, maintaining adequate levels of glutathione can be a challenge, as factors like aging, poor diet, and stress can deplete its levels. While the body produces it naturally, it's also found in foods like garlic, onions, broccoli, and leafy greens, or as a supplement under medical guidance. If you're thinking of dabbling in these nutrients, no worries, I've done the homework for you and rounded up some of the top picks just for you in the description below. This could be a game changer for many. I simply couldn't keep the info to myself. This is why I crafted this video. Looking for more secrets to a health-driven lifestyle? Hit that next video and let's keep this wellness journey going.